Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify TOU rates using PG&E EV plans in California step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the PG&E website. Locate the navigation bar at the top of the page. Hover over the pricing tab. From the drop-down menu, select Electric Vehicle Plans. Scroll down to find the section dedicated to time of use or TOU rates. Click on the link that says Learn more about TOU rates. Review the information provided to understand how TOU rates work. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page where you will find a comparison chart. Find the specific EV plan you are interested in. Focus on the TOU rate details associated with that plan. Take note of the peak, partial peak, and off-peak time slots. Observe the pricing for each time slot. Now, return to the main PG&E page. Click on the My Account button to log into your account. Enter your username and password, then click Login. Once logged in, navigate to the usage. Here you can view your historical energy usage data. Compare your usage patterns with the TOU time slots. Determine how your usage aligns with peak and off-peak hours. If necessary, adjust your charging schedule to optimize savings. You can also download the PG&E mobile app for real-time access. With the app, you can monitor usage and costs on the go. Ensure you regularly check for any updates or changes to the TOU rates. This will help you stay informed about potential rate adjustments. Review any additional resources provided on the PG&E site for further assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively verify TOU rates in California using PG&E EV plans. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.